This is the best deal you're ever going to find on AI tools. Get 15 apps, pro subscriptions for 1 year for $200. Let's dive into what this deal is, where you could find it, how to redeem it, and why this is huge if you're learning AI like me. All right, here is the website, lennysnewsletter.com. You could see this right here at the top. Click on that. And this breaks down this deal, how it works, why he's doing it, and the little bit of fine print here. So let's get into it. Over $10,000 in tools. You could see the list of the apps that come with it. So NAN for automations, Bolt, Lovable for building, Linear, Descript, Gamma, Whisperflow, Raycast, Perplexity. And they say they're going to add additional ones like each quarter. So some of these may be pulled off and some of them may be added, but $10,000 worth of pro subscriptions for only $200 a year. Now, why is he doing it? So essentially what he's saying is that he wants to give builders the tools and advice and community to succeed in the fast-moving AI era. I've never heard of this, but from what I've read, just briefly, apparently this is a really awesome newsletter, and a lot of people respect this guy and what he has to say. Here are some of the fine print details here. It's important to note that it says you must be a new customer of the products. I don't know if that's necessarily true because I have a free account on one of them and I just clicked the upgrade to pro, put in my code that I got from signing up for this newsletter, and it worked. So I didn't necessarily have to create a new account. I had a free account and upgraded to an annual pro subscription. It says both existing and new subscribers are eligible. You must get the annual or insider subscription to Lenny's newsletter. That's the $200 1 year subscription. We may run out of codes for a product at any time, so that's important. Today is Friday, August the 1st. I did this yesterday. I redeemed 2 of the codes myself, but it does state that they might run out of codes for a product at any time. So yeah, I would jump on this. I know it went super viral. They said like the website, the claim page was down. So I would do this quickly if you are like me and you are wanting to learn and try all of the AI tools out there. Also says your 1 free year of the product begins when you redeem the deal on the partner's website, not when you purchase this newsletter. All sales are final. Let's run through the list of tools that come with this bundle deal. So let's just open a bunch of them and go through them. The first category here is building faster. So Replit, building apps and sites. Fastest way to build production-ready apps. Build and refine your app with Agent. Easily import designs from tools like Figma. Integrate security with built-in services like database and auth plus third-party tools. You have Lovable here, which is like a vibe coder where you can build stuff, design stuff using natural language. Bolt also one of these vibe coders, creates sending apps and websites by chatting with AI, or you could, of course, import from Figma or GitHub. You have NAN, the super popular, probably top tier AI automation workflow builder. There's tons and tons of integrations and a really robust template library to get you started. Warp, the agentic development environment. Warp is the fastest way to build multiple AI agents from writing code to shipping it, the best overall coding and terminal agent. Haven't heard of that, but looks pretty official. Magic patterns, discover your next breakout feature. So build prototypes, get user feedback, and make data-driven decisions. The AI prototyping platform for product teams. And then we have Chat PRD. The nice link here. Welcome Lenny's newsletter subscribers. This is the AI co-pilot for product managers. Chat PRD helps product managers write better PRDs, make smarter decisions, and ship faster. Just join thousands of product managers who are already 10xing their productivity. Next is the collaboration tools, Linear, Superhuman, and Granola. Linear is a purpose-built tool for planning and building products. So meet the system for modern software development, streamline issues, projects, and product roadmaps. Superhuman. This is the most productive email app ever made. Collaborate faster and get more done with AI native email. And then Granola, the AI notepad for people in back-to-back meetings. Granola takes your raw meeting notes and makes them awesome. All right, the next section here is make it more beautiful with Descript. So Descript is something I use quite a bit. So this does a lot of different things, but you could edit videos, edit podcasts, and pull transcriptions and create short form clips. It's really an awesome app and something I was already paying for. So happy to get a year of this for free. And they have done a good job of, over the last year that I've seen, adding a lot of features, and it's a very robust tool for both recording podcasts and clipping them. Gamma is a way to make these really awesome like pitch decks, presentations, or even if you're going to make like a YouTube video and you want to put something up on the screen. It's a awesome designer that integrates AI. So you could have ChatGPT give you a outline for a presentation and just one shot it into Gamma, and it will create all the slides, generate some graphics for you, and looks really clean. All right, next is Mobbin, of course, and this is a design library. Claims to be like the biggest and best design library out there. Lots of examples of different sites, different apps for design inspo. Next is getting more done with Whisperflow, Raycast, and Perplexity. So Whisperflow is something that I just started using. So this is like a dictation app where I have a hotkey on my keyboard, and if I'm wanting to do a super long prompt or email or notes, I just hit my hotkey, talking to the mic, and it does a really good job of transcribing what I say. And of course, this is just a productivity hack. Humans type at 40 words per minute or whatever it is, 80 words per minute, but you talk at 200 words per minute. So you can really get a lot done using this, just integrating this. And I've seen a lot of people start to talk about using this as a unlock for saving time. All right, next is Raycast. So Raycast is an all-in-one like AI assistant tool, one interface, dozens of models, does a lot of different things and integrates with all sorts of models here. So an all-in-one co-pilot. Your Mac just got smarter, AI where it's most useful on your OS. Anything, anytime, anywhere, always on ChatGPT, your automation assistant. Create your own AI commands to automate repetitive tasks and eliminate chores. Yeah, I'm stoked to try this one. All right, the next tool is Perplexity, one of the most popular LLMs out there, great for doing research and getting accurate information, much better, I think, than ChatGPT for getting detailed research with citations and stuff like that. All right, so that is the run through of all of the different tools that you unlock with the $200 paid subscription to this guy's newsletter. Yeah, a lot of great stuff there. And if you're like me and you're really digging into AI and trying tools and experimenting, then yeah, that's a killer stack to have for $200. All right, so let's redeem the Mobbin code. So Mobbin is the world's most comprehensive UI UX design reference library of mobile and web apps. Here is the website here. So just a great resource for design. I created an account. Let's click on Get Pro, yearly, Get Pro here. And we are ready to enter in our promo code. So let me go back to our redemption page, generate code, got the code. Let's add it here, apply. All right, great. So now just need to add some card info here. can't complete the checkout without it. Subscribe. There we go. It's official. You are now a pro. I have full access to all apps and features. Sweet. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. I'm Sean. I run a digital marketing agency, and I am going all in on AI and automation. I wanted to create this channel so I could document as I learn NAN, make.com, build out stuff for my current marketing clients, and ultimately I'd like to get into AI automation services as well. So if you're new to AI, if you're trying to make sense of it all, if you want to follow along and learn together, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, let me know what tool you're excited about from this awesome list, and I'll see you in the next video.